If you are holding XRP, there is something massive brewing behind the scenes, and they are trying to kind of prevent you from figuring out what to do. They're trying to confuse you and scare you before this next massive pump, this next leg up. In this video, we have to talk about what's going on behind the scenes. You cannot miss it today, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this XRP crypto video. So XRP is about to get approved for an ETF in the United States. Look, XRP is now gaining momentum due to ETF optimism and legal clarity despite recent price volatility and large liquidations. Make sure you guys watched my video yesterday and I explained to you why we've been crashing and dumping this whole week, but that big seller is now out of the market. Institutional confidence is improving following Ripple's partial legal win, leading to speculation about a potential spot ETF for XRP. Both XRP and Solana are benefiting from increased interest in more crypto-friendly regulatory environment in the US. There are so many bullish catalysts that are taking place, and next week is going to be absolutely massive. We have the Fed meeting, so that could change a lot of things. They are pushing the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, to quit and to leave and to cut rates. And one of those two things are going to pump the market faster and harder than you could possibly imagine. Donald Trump is calling for the resignation of Jerome Powell every single day. He's calling to lower interest rates, and that is going to force the Fed to do something they don't want to do, but it's actually going to end up lowering inflation anyways. The Fed has no clue what they are doing, and that's why Donald Trump is talking trash about Jerome Powell. Look at this, XRP. This is what we talked about in my video yesterday. We've produced a successful $3 support retest. What is now next? Well, I'm going to show you guys on the charts what's going on, but we're also starting to see that XRP is now going to be heading towards $6.90. What do you guys think about that? Is that realistic in the next month or so? I think it really could, because what we are starting to see, XRP is breaking out. It's gaining momentum. It's gaining popularity. The search volume is reaching historical highs. Wallets are increasing like never before. These are all the signs that share with you very clearly, very loudly to buy XRP. Now make sure you guys join my exclusive community on WAP where you could follow signals like this. This one leverage signal in my VIP tier, the whale tier, is up $3,000 in the last day. We did a leverage long in Bitcoin. We also bought a lot of spot in the regular tiers where I share every single move I'm doing. And we are making massive profits. We bought XRP at 40 and 50 cents, and we've been trading the heck out of it ever since it reached its highs. We also got into Dogecoin early, around 2 cents, 4 cents. We've made a lot of money. If you guys want to follow my signals like that for spot and also leverage, go ahead and join my WAP down below. If you guys want to take your trading to another level, join the second tier where you can learn every single week from me live. So Bitcoin was selling off because this whale from a Satoshi era wallet woke up out of nowhere for the first time, and basically since Satoshi came around and they created Bitcoin, started selling Bitcoin. And look, they sold Bitcoin off very quickly. And now we have recovered. Just like last summer, Germany, they were selling all of that Bitcoin that ended up being the bottom and we are way higher. The same exact scenario. If you look at Bitcoin here, we have formed a double bottom. And this is very, very bullish. We even tapped the top part of the CME gap, which is very, very bullish as well. And in addition to that, we have liquidated so many longs by sweeping all of the liquidity on the lower side of Bitcoin on this range. And this is very bullish. It is very likely that Bitcoin is going to probably come up and test 123,000, which if this does take place, all coins are going to go absolutely bananas. Like, look at this. ALGOSNIPER gave us a buy alert on the 30-minute time frame on Bitcoin. And we've now broken back above the 200 EMA. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for $1. It will give you a sell alert here before every big crash, and it will tell you when to buy once the crash is over with. And again, you guys can try today for just $1. Taking a look at XRP, something very interesting. XRP on the 2-hour time frame has continued to hold above this 200 EMA on ALGOSNIPER, and the bands have also flipped green. We are about to get a buy alert. right before this massive crash with XRP, we ended up selling in my private community. And now we are able to buy at $3, which was the plan. So we've been scaling in around $3 after selling near the top. This is a very, very good sign and an indication that we're going to probably be pumping within the next couple of days. And this is very exciting. So XRP, in my opinion, this very week is going to be making a massive move. If you guys want to be trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you are trading over on Blofin. This is where you can long and short cryptos, and it's where you can also buy and sell all cryptos, even the new ones that are way early to get listed on these exchanges. You guys can try it through Blofin. Use my link in my video description because you're going to lock in the cheapest fees with my specific affiliate link. And they're also giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up and make sure that you guys are subscribed with notifications on so you do not miss my next emergency XRP video.